Sprinkled jelly playtime!
Hey everyone! Oh no, look at our beach! It's so covered in dirt! Oh, what are we gonna do? There's so much mess on our beach! Oh gosh, we've gotta clear it up! No more junk on our beach! Oh, look at it, so dirty! We need to clean it up! Come on, gang, we need to clean up the beach! It's disgusting! Who would have left it in such a mess? Come on, Zuma, we need your help to clean up the beach. You too, Rocky. This is called Operation Cleanup. Let's clean the beach. Let's choose a colour and we can all collect just one colour and then we'll get it done in no time at all. I'll take blue. Well, I'll take the orange. Green's my colour. How about red for me? That just leaves yellow for rubble. Yay, we've done it! We've cleaned the beach. All 5 tidy piles of rubbish. Now we just need to get rid of the rubbish. Well done, gang. We've done it all. That was fun too. I like cleaning up the beach. That was awesome fun. Yeah, but I don't want to do it every day. I have other things to be doing, not cleaning up people's rubbish that they left on the beach. It's looking so much tidier now. Well done, gang. Just a few more pieces left. Come on, Rubble. Come on, Zuma. We need to clean this beach up. Oh, look, a clean beach again. People can come and visit the beach and not have to climb over lots of dirt and lots of rubble. Well done, gang. We did it. Yay! Well done. Well done to the Paw Patrol gang. Yay!